good, y'all? It's your girl Yolissa Hair, and I am back again with another hair video. So today I am back with this hair right here, and it's giving very much scalp. The lace is giving very much scalp. And not to mention that nothing has been touched. The only thing I really did was bleach the knots and hot comb my part. This is a completely glueless install, so if you guys are interested, stay tuned and keep watching. So before we jump into the actual glueless install, I want to tell you guys a little bit about the hair. So today's hair is from Yolissa Hair, and this is the 5x5 body wave closure wig. I'm not sure what kind of lace it is, but if I figure it out, I'll put it on the screen or in the description box down below. Like I said, 100% glueless, and it's literally a 5x5 closure. So my closure is from here to here, basically from temple to temple. Hair is completely bomb, very silky, straightens very well, and it's just giving what it's supposed to give, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you guys what actually came with the wig, and then we're going to jump right into the very quick on the go glueless install. So of course our hair came with the baggie to store your wig in that has the brand's name on there, Yolissa Hair. So inside the bag we have wig, we have an elastic band which I use to tie down the actual wig, also a bluish purplish baby hair brush, a tan wig cap, a head scarf, we got some lashes, you can't ever get too many lashes, and lastly like an infinity type of headband. Now that is everything. That's pretty much all the goodies that came with this wig. But like I said, this is a 20-inch 5x5 closure wig from Yolissa Hair. So if you guys are interested in the 100% glueless install, no sprays, no nothing, just mousse and baby hairs and lace, because it's getting scalp, stay tuned, keep watching. I'm gonna attempt to do a glueless install. Now I done prepped the wig and everything else, and I'm gonna start off glueless, and if I don't like it, then we gonna add a little bit of spray. So for my braids, I have two braids on the side, and then I took the middle section of my hair, I parted it in half, slicked it back, and then I began braiding like mid-head. So I have 3 braids in total, and I will not be using a wig cap because wig caps sometimes just are the devil. But we have the wig. I have, like I said, the 20-inch body wave, and it's definitely giving me way more than 20 inches. But this is just the wig with no plucking, and the lace is still on there. I'm not even sure if you guys can see this because it's so thin. So I'm really excited to install this. I already parted my part and all that stuff. All I did was bleach the knots, and that's it. I literally didn't do anything else. Bleached the knots, straightened it, and hot combed it down. So I'm just gonna put it right on my head. And before I put it on my head, I want to show you guys the inside construction. So as you can see, it is a 5x5 closure. We have the comb in the back, and then we have adjustable straps back here, and I believe that is it. Oh, okay, so we have combs on the side as well if you want to use those. I normally don't use that kind of stuff. Okay, this is giving very secure now. And it's giving flat too. I know that's right. And what's crazy is it's giving a little bit of bulk back here, but my braids are not even sticking up, so I'm not sure why it's giving bulk. But I'm just taking my part comb back there. And honestly, like, I don't know if I'll need to put makeup, but I'm gonna zoom in for you guys because, like I mentioned before, I did not pluck anything. I literally have not touched this. All I did was bleach the knots. They're a tad bit over bleached, but I don't mind. I'm gonna take this really small makeup brush, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of foundation on there and buff it in there a little bit. So I'm going to take literally just a little dab, and put it on the hairline right before the lace. And I'm using like a shade that's like a little bit darker than my actual skin tone. Alright, so I already cut off the tab on the one side, and on this side I'm just going to finish cutting it off. It's that like little thick band right there. I just like to cut those completely off. That just helps it look a little bit more natural. I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm taking my scissors and kind of just letting them cut wherever they cut. I'm just closing them a little bit and letting them do most of the work. And voila. This is with no baby hairs. So this is the wig with no baby hairs. Now we did get a handy dandy baby hair brush. I'm gonna use that. And I'm just going to pull me out some baby hairs. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna hot comb them down. Like that. And we're gonna keep it subtle, so I'm gonna cut them a little bit. And I really should have curled them first. I'm gonna take this Pantene Pro V foam conditioner. This is actually one of my favorite just foams in general, even though it's not necessarily for that. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, apply it to my baby hairs. And brush them on over. That's pretty subtle. And now I'm gonna do some on the other side. This is like the easiest install I've done in a very long time. It's actually making me very excited. This might be my new favorite wig. Even though you probably won't even see this side because I have a side part right now, I'm gonna trim it a bit. I'm gonna apply my foam with my finger. Nice and subtle. I'm gonna take the foam and I'm gonna apply it right on the hairline. This is the prettiest wig I've ever gotten in my life. I'm just gonna apply some right on top of my baby hairs. Then I'm gonna take my elastic band that I got with the wig and I'm gonna tie it. Brush the hair back a little bit. Okay, I am back. My hoodie is zipped all the way up to the T. I'm dead. Okay, so this edge got messed up, but it's all good. Shape her back up. Alright, so super flat install. Can just stick with this right here or just finesse it a little bit. I don't know. It could be in the face type joint or really just kind of like pull back a little bit. I don't even want to do too much because this hair is just so pretty. Overall, I literally have nothing really bad to say about this wig. The hair itself is super duper pretty. The lace, bang, the closure space is perfect. You could do a side part, middle part, maybe even some ponytails if you want to. I might do my makeup and come back, I don't know, but we'll see. I think this is a super simple, easy, glueless install. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. It was nice and quick. This is definitely going to be a cute go-to wig for sure. So shout out to Yolissa Hair for making this bomb unit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.